So this is the first Manta, the Manta Original, and we made the bristles very soft. We made it by bonding two parts together, which makes it totally flexible. And this is great for all hair types. But when people have curlier hair, they have different challenges with their hair. They tend not to brush it when it's dry because it could go frizzy. They want to define the curls a lot more. And curly hair can also be very delicate. People always assume it's going to be very thick hair, but it can be very fine hair. So this is the new Manta Kinks Coils and Curls, which was specifically designed for 3A to 4C curls. And how we've made this different is we've got a different length of bristle and they're spaced further apart. This still allows you to massage the scalp. It still allows you to brush right through the hair to coat all the hair, but you can really define the curls and still have that unique way of feeling every knot so you don't break the hair. So today we're going to be demonstrating the new Manta Kinks Coils and Curls Healthy Hair and Scalp Brush. When applying your treatment, you put a small amount into your hand and then rub it together. Then you can work through the hair, dispersing the treatment all the way through from the mid-lengths to the ends. When now detangling the hair and dispersing your treatment through your hair, you put your hand into the Manta like a glove, and then you can use your thumb at the back of the Manta to squeeze it gently together. So when detangling your hair with your Manta, the unique technique of squeezing the Manta together over the hair and moving it through gently, you'll ease off any knot without breaking. This will do two things. One thing, you'll smooth the hair down without breaking the hair, and secondly, you'll distribute all the treatment you've put on so it covers each and every hair. Once you've successfully detangled the hair by using this unique technique, you can run the Manta gently through your hair, making sure all the hair is covered with the treatment. And this way you're going to get really good coverage on every hair.